What are you doing, girl? Get on this right side of the road. Gonna go to the dog park. Sammy, you know what day it is?
It's the 6th. It's January 6th.
Yes, it's your birthday.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sammy. Happy birthday to you. And you have what at the mail pickup center?
You have a gift. We got to go get it.
We have to go to town today and get your present?
Yeah, Sammy's got a birthday gift waiting on her in town.
Oh. Are you
How about
excited?
Yeah, I see your little tail thumping. Thump, 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 thump.
Is your tail thumping?
Happy birthday.
You going to sleep? Down, down. She just crawled up in your lap. She just hold me.
I don't want to be on the floor anymore.
You gonna see your mama? You gonna see your mama? Huh? You gonna see mama? Come on, let's go. Huh? What? You gonna see mama? Okay, let's go. What are you playing? Are you playing Skip-Bo? That's the next card we need to play. Okay, gonna play that card first before we do anything else. Oh, it's not very often that she sits in my lap. Oh, yeah. She was sitting in her chair. She just crawled right over the arm. Got in my lap, didn't you, baby girl? Yeah. What is it, Sammy? Is that your blanket?
Sammy's blanket.
Yeah. She's like, hurry,
Hurry up.
hurry.
Hurry. Okay. There you go.
Are you just spoiled?
She is, and it's a good thing.
Yeah, you just spoiled. Your own chair, your own blanket. Your bones in your cup holders. Yeah. Sweet girl.
Are you wanting a treat? Yeah? And what are you doing? Oh gosh, y'all give me a minute. I gotta get this fixed up. It's called a peel pocket. Do you know what a peel pocket is? I'm using a peel pocket because your brother's sick. So was it a long time ago? Well, I don't. Was I there? Oh goodness, you got your big bird face.
And you were telling a story. What's this?
Was it a story about food?
Huh?
Was it a story?
Here comes Sammy.
She says, "Did you say food?"
Oh, you did.
I'm sorry, baby girl.
Oh.
I said food. I said the F word.
Yeah, you said the F word, and she was like, come running. Oh, Bando.
You're so sweet.
You sleepy? Okay. What? What is it, baby girl? She says, I'll make it up, Mama. I'll make it up. I'll make it up. You ready to get up? Oh, goodness. What? E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, N, T, U, V, W, X, and Y, and Z. Now I've said my ABCs. You can make the words you need. Does it feel good? Does it feel good? When did that happen? Are you sure? I don't know about that. You want to tell me about it? You want to tell me about it? No? Oh, what? Okay, well, I'm sorry. I don't know. When? When did it happen? When? Well, tell me about it. Yeah? You're silly. When? Do you want to go do something? Yeah? Oh gosh, are you cold? Well, you got out from underneath your blanket. You got out from underneath your blanket. Sorry, boy. I can't help you when you do that. It's like, oh, I'm cold. Oh. Sorry, you got a sticker.